Oh, it's quite dark in here. This must be a simply enormous wardrobe. That's odd. Not fur, but prickly. The branches of a tree.
Should I be right in thinking you are a daughter of Eve?
I can do anything.
I can do anything.
I can face anything. I can be anything now.
The trees are always listening. Most of them are on our side, but there are trees that will betray us to her. You know who I mean?
Who is the White Witch?
It's she who has all of us under her thumb. It's she who makes it always winter, never Christmas.
Who's Aslan, anyway?
Don't you know? He's the king!
He's in Narnia at this moment.
Plenty more presents to deliver.